Hi friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Lentil vegetable vada, a treat for fasting days, made with chana dal. A crisp, flavorful treat with lots of vegetables. The simplest recipe which you can make without onion or garlic. Watch this video until the end for some tips and tricks. First, wash and soak dal for 45 minutes. Here comes the first tip. Add little urad dal along with the chana dal to avoid vada becoming too dry and hard. Second tip. Make sure to soak dal at least for 45 minutes, otherwise the vada will be hard. While the dals are soaked, let's prepare the vegetables. We are using cabbage, ginger, mint, carrot, chili, and curry leaves. Chop them finely or grate them, it's your choice. The vegetables are ready. Transfer to a mixing bowl. It's been 45 minutes. Let's grind the dal. First, add the chili in the bottom. And then add the dal and grind coarsely. Here's the third tip. Grind with little water, no excess water needed. Transfer to a mixing bowl. Add salt, asafoetida, mix well. Make small balls. Heat oil in a pan until hot. Drop the shaped vada in the oil. Cook on medium flame until golden. Flip in between so both sides are evenly golden and crisp. And make sure to drain over with a paper towel. Fourth tip. Cooking in medium heat for a long time makes the vada crispy. You can enjoy this crispy and tasty vada with delicious coconut chutney, tomato chutney, and arachivetta sambar. Make sure to watch the suggested video that pops up to make this lip-smacking, flavorful arachivetta sambar. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. If you like our channel, please
like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget our videos. Bye guys!